2 raised to power 2s squared divided by 4 raised to power s is equal to 16. What is the value of s? Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this given nice equation. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution. Then we have the given equation 2 raised to power 2s squared. Then this is 2 raised to power 2s squared over 4 raised to power s can be written as 2 raised to power 2 to the power of s is equal to 16. Then now if you have a raised to power n over a raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power n minus m. Also, if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power n m. Then this equation becomes 2 raised to power 2s squared divided by 2 raised to power 2 times s, that is 2s, is equal to 16. Then from this rule, then we have 2 raised to power 2s squared minus 2s is equal to 16. But 16 is equal to 2 raised to power 4. Then this is 2 raised to power 2s squared minus 2x is equal to 2 raised to power 4. Now they have the same base 2. They will work with exponents. 2s squared minus 2x is equal to 4. And let's divide all through by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. This one will cancel this one will cancel this, and 2 here 1, 2 here 2. We have s squared minus x is equal to 2. Then let's bring this 2 to this side. S squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using factorization method. Then in factorization method, here is product, that is minus 2. P will be equal to minus 2 multiplied by 1. This is equal to minus 2. And the sum coefficient here is minus 1. Then sum is equal to minus 2 plus 1. This is equal to minus 1. Then the equation becomes s squared minus 2s plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, let's bring heads out. S bracket x minus 2 plus 1 bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. S minus 2 is common here. S minus 2 is here. We have x minus 2 bracket x plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 2. That is the first value of s. Let's call this x1. From here, we have s plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to minus 1. This is the second value of s. Let's call this s2. Now, and our final answers are s is equal to minus 1 and 2. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. We have the given equation 2 raised to power 2s squared over 4 raised to power s must be equal to 16. When s is 2, then we have 2 raised to power 2 bracket 2 square over 4 is 2 raised to power 2 into 2 must be equal to what? 16. Then this is 2 raised to power 2 square is 4 times 2, 8 over 2 raised to power 2 times 2, that is 4, must be equal to 16. Then remember this rule that if you have a raised to power n over a raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power n minus m. Then, and this become 2 raised to power 8 minus 4 must be equal to 16. 2 raised to power 8 minus 4 is 4. This is equal to 16, which satisfies the given equation at x is equal to 2. Let's check when s is equal to minus 1. Then we have the given equation 2 raised to power 2s squared over 4 to the power of s is equal to 16. Then 2 raised to power 2 bracket minus 1 square over 2 raised to power 2 raised to power minus 1 must be equal to 16. And this is 2 raised to power minus 1 square, that is 1 times 2, 2 over 2 raised to power minus 2 must be equal to what? 16. Let's see what will happen. This is 2 raised to power 2 minus into minus 2 must be equal to what? 16. This is 2 raised to power 4, which is equal to 16, which also satisfies the given equation at s is equal to minus 1. If you enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.